Hello everyone, this is Charles Harper. NotebookLM has just released an update to the platform providing new audio overview formats. They are now available to all users in all languages, according to their most recent post on X. Now, we have created an 11-minute update to our course, and you'll be able to get this as part of the upgrade, and you can use it in order to keep individuals updated on all the changes that NotebookLM makes, and we will continue to cover these updates for you to be able to teach your customers. If you already have the Essentials course, you want to make sure to follow through and get this update. And this is where I will be providing all of the updates over time to what NotebookLM is doing. Each update is going to come with the video and the audio, a video summary, video transcript, and a video kit PowerPoint for you to be able to record it over in your own voice. Close out with an update of the upgrade. Thanks and have a great day. Review to focus on. We are now going to look at the critique. So what we're now going to do is we're going to click on the critique. When we click on the critique, that's going to open up this element, and then the critique will start playing automatically. We're going to stop it here. That will automatically open up the critique. We're going to pull this back to 0, and we're going to start the listening process for the critique.
Welcome. Today we're looking at a great set of materials on theory of constraints, specifically focused on teaching it to online information and expertise marketers.
Yeah, it's a solid collection. And our goal is really to help sharpen how those core TOC ideas connect directly with the specific hurdles these marketers face daily.
Absolutely. So first off, let's talk about bridging those foundational TOC principles with the solopreneurs' unique challenges.
Okay.
Your materials do a really good job laying out the TOC fundamentals, the 5 steps, constraint types, all that. And you've got this great list of solopreneur pain points like unclear vision or time struggles.
Right, the common stuff they run into.